Well, you've heard of 3D printing, but what about bioprinting? It's an emerging technology that allows scientists to create things like human organs and skin on demand. And the implications of this technology could be huge. Futurist Nikolas Badminton joins me from BC, from Victoria, BC, for our latest edition of Future Friday. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning.
Okay, so give me the basics here. How does the process of bioprinting actually work?
So you take cells from the donor, and then you actually grow them out in the laboratory, and you can create all manner of organs. And they've actually started with like bladders, and they hope eventually to go to like hearts and lungs. And they've also been very successful with blood vessels as well.
Is this, so you're saying this science exists today? We're not saying 5 years, 10 years from now we'll be able to do this, but these are things that are actually happening today.
Yeah, it's been under development for a long time. They actually think by 2024 the market's going to be worth about 2.6 billion. So it's gone from nascent technology to something that's very, very real.
And where are there certain holy grails of bioprinting material? Or do we want to get to hearts and lungs and eyes?
Yeah, so really it's around the heart and the lungs that they're really aiming for. They haven't managed that in humans yet. Trials in other animals have started quite well. There's a lot of development, a lot of money's being poured into that. Obviously, we haven't got to the point of 3D printing like corneas or anything like that to be hugely effective yet from biomaterials, but we're going to get there.
So we know that the technology also has implications for, say, the way we treat cancer or even how we deal with antibiotic-resistant bugs. Talk to me about how that would work.
Yeah, because it's made from our own cells, there's less fear of rejection in the body. What's also really great as well is that there's fewer people that you have to operate on as well. There's not the donor and the person that actually receives the organ as well. So the way that you can actually work on this, it means that you can separate that from the body in the first instance. So you can test it out in multiple ways before going ahead with the final procedure.
It seems to me like it's only a matter of time before some wealthy person swaps out each and every one of their aging organs for newer versions of their old organs so that they can live forever.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure that's going to happen right now. There's still risks associated with that. But certainly, you know, the people that really do want to live forever, they're going to be looking at technologies like this for sure.
Nikolas Badminton, thank you so much.
Thanks very much.